Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, stand wide and take the plunge into a strapped side lunge on the path of least resistance.
The side lunge is a smorgasbord for the lower body, strengthening the quads and glutes while developing balance and simultaneously stretching out the calves and hamstrings. Clip your hardware over the top rail of a sturdy fence. Place your feet much wider than your shoulders. Then plank back with your arms straight. Squat down and arc your center of gravity over your right heel. Aim your knee to be just above but not beyond your first and second toes. Meanwhile, make sure your left heel remains on the ground and your left leg straightens to stretch out the muscles in your posterior chain. Then arc over your left leg and repeat the process to get the benefit on the other side. Stay low for the entire set, counting the left and right lunges as a single rep. To finish, press both heels into the ground to stand back into a plank. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
Take a low ride and slide from side to side with strapped side lunges on the path of least resistance. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, do not clip your leashes to the subscribe button.